close friends, I work with questions.
What the question? What time?
So we broke up 3 days ago. How you end up a look love right as now?
Jamie link them now.
The shouting.
Bro, let me tap on camera that. Walk on the first man me see.
Yeah.
Pana podcast, you know, bro.
Final question.
Why am I still walk out of someone I just meet?
Yeah.
Alright, let's break down.
Well, yeah. Alright, that is it. We're not getting any more dancing from the countdown and also copyright. Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another Wednesday social media countdown. Burritos, it has been quite a week and weeks of baga and I've listened to the comment, me read them, uno say, uno kinda want me to ease off of the spice thing, so I am going to do so because, yeah man, it seems as if we're not tired and up to here with the 285 saga, so we are going to rest that case. So if tomorrow morning Spice shot RT Boss a box, I will not say a word. Okay, might be a few sentences and a paragraph, but I definitely will not say a word. But let me not waste any further time. Let's get into today's countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Okay, number 5, no popping me balloon. Okay, burritos, no. So let me just tell you, from the Pop the Balloon series started on YouTube, I just pair bangarang, especially when it started to, it reached Jamaica. When it reached Jamaica, just know we were going to be in for many viral treats. And so at the forefront of this is RolleySoEasy, a YouTuber who's been in the space for quite a while now. And he has hopped on this trend and has been very good at it. And so there's another, what would I call her, an influencer. Look good girl, young girl, all of these things recently get her car. I do not know why I know it, but the people then put out them business and it just reached into my ears. All right. And so she's a hottie, Dolly, look good, young, all of these things. And so RolleySoEasy, look like say him here about her now. I'm going to jump into the doll DMs, into her inbox. And this is a conversation that ensued. All right, okay, so when you look on the message now, the message Rolly said, jumped in, Him said, hey, what's up? Hey, with 2 Y's. He said, hey, what's up? And then after this now, let me go read you what wTrezagaye go reply. Jesus, Pim. So wTrezagaye, where the wTrezagaye, the Jesus, Pim, come in, girl, I'm going to read her message. All right, see it now, burritos. So she says, I'm not interested at all in a pop balloon nor 20 girls / guys. Not interested whatsoever. Laugh my ass off. Just saying. Oh, wow. No, man, like, the girl fully rushed out. RolleySoEasy didn't even get a chance to go and give her a pitch. He never get to deliver a message. No, mind you, granted, anybody and their mother could have told say this is exactly what him the dog asked her to do. And, the video, the screenshot went out and went viral. And now, my girl, I wonder, how did it reach there? So, take a listen.
So you tell me, say, somebody from WhatsApp or my close friends, I work with questions. Because what? I never my eyes so red. I never even posted on my main story. Oh, that's so quick. Why my eyes so red? Oh, that's so quick. I'm so convinced I'm obsessed with me. I never post a screenshot or anything for clothes, like what it was on my WhatsApp and my close friends. If I didn't want clothes from it, why wouldn't I post it on my main story? You get me? I did not. So I cannot understand how, like, who. No, I forgot. Oh my God, what? And then people be like, oh, she posting for likes, she posting for clothes. Likes from who? So because I don't want to pop no balloon there. Oh, Listen, don't piss me off. It's a good day, don't piss me off, okay?
Ha! 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 Your first mistake is asking how. How? Come on, man. I think Trezagaye, she is around like, she under 23 years old. Is a young girl, if my memory serves me correctly. She young, right? And so, you know, at that age, you have friends where you think are your friends, can just hang out the whole a dolly. But are your real friends, them, and you will find that out later in life. You might just have the happiness in common. And so, I must one of them rat you out because she posted in our close friends. And if you know close friends etiquette, you can't go take the girl sitting there and go carry quest times and all about the place. You know, or for WhatsApp it come from. Zine, and you know, she's not the only person who is annoyed. RolleySoEasy, he's annoyed as well, because this is what he took to social media to say. Why wouldn't you screenshot the whole convo? People be weird. Make it seem like I'm sliding at your DM for something else. You're not someone I would show my mom. Whoa, oh wow. You're not someone I would show my mom. No, the one that's serious. Have a good day. Pop the balloon Saturday in Kingston. Link up if interested. Wow, so RolleySoEasy saying that he would pop the balloon on Trezagaye. No, Jesus P, man. Wow. I never know if it need to go right there, so. Because I think the girl will just pop the rake and just basically know say that they are coming to our inbox. And, I mean, you know, people must say a walk with the idea, say maybe it look like him to that look her and him have a woman, but I think she didn't realize say it wasn't that. I think from the screenshot, it did look like say she just know say him they probably want invite her on the program. But readers, what do you make of this? Would you jump on and pop the balloon if RolleySoEasy did slide into your DMs? Sound off below. Number 4, Bailey suspended. All right, my readers know. So this is a fresh piece of story. It is spanking fresh, new out of the office. And so I did just mind my business as usual when I saw this from the Jamaica Star, and it said JFF suspends Leon Bailey from the Reggae Boys. So the Jamaica Football Federation has suspended Leon Bailey from Reggae Boys duty. In a statement on Wednesday morning, the JFF says the Aston Villa winger will be suspended from selection to the national senior men's team following comments made in a recent podcast. No, I don't really know all of them because something here. Me know a lot of the baga and the cas. And so I want to find out more about this story involving Leon Bailey. Somebody who can break it down to me like I yesterday, my band. So let me just give me a second right now. Let me phone a friend. See if I can use that now by the name of Daniel Jarrett, sports journalist. Jumping at the space now new. So he must can tell me something and break it down for all of us because me too. I am also living under a rock. Hold on. Hello? Daniel Jarrett? Hold on, Daniel Jarrett.
Yeah.
This is Duttyberry. You're on the social media countdown. Can I get a quick word from you?
Yeah.
All right, so I just mentioned a while ago, said JFF suspend Leon Bailey from the Reggae Boys. What is this? Can you explain it to us and the Burritos who are living under a rock? Break it down to me like we're in a primary school. What is going on and should we feel a way about it?
To an extent, yes, I say, we should feel a way about what is going on with Leon Bailey and the Jamaica Football Federation. But let me just break it down in a nutshell for you, right?
All right, yeah.
So the other day, Leon Bailey was saying that, he needs to take a mental break because a lot of things have been really lingering on his mind as it relates to the things them him have to do and sacrifices that he, as Leon Bailey, that baller will make a certain amount of money have to make. And he mentioned quite a few things, including sometimes he have to come out of Jamaica and play upon the pitch them where, kind of messed up and he not suitable for play football. And he made mention of the fact that he have to sometimes pay for certain people playing fair and the team have to go leave and go there so and go here so. Yeah.
Oh, so I'm used to a certain quality of treatment and standard, and the Reggae Boys maybe him not get that same quality and here.
And not the Reggae Boys really are really the JFF in my target and all that thing. So him say the quality or the professionalism professionalism that he gets.
It's lacking.
Used to. Is not being radiated through the Jamaica Football Federation.
Oh, okay. So that's where the problem really lies. And so the JFF making this statement now. What do you think is Leon's next move? Like, because clearly it's going to affect the Reggae Boys.
Yes, it's going to affect the Reggae Boys, but the JFF made this move in we don't call it now, accordance with what happened last year with the Reggae Girls. The Reggae Girls, they claimed the Reggae Girls. Boy, I have one more if I mix up.
Because that is somewhere involved Bunny Shaw, and Bunny Shaw did talk about it, right?
Yeah, and remember them they get banned, them they get suspended as well.
So what are your feelings? What go on now? Because now the story I get little, me I understand a bit of something in there.
Initially, what we are saying, what we know,
yes,
is that Leon say might take a mental break.
Oh.
The other day, no, Berry.
Yes.
The other day, when the team didn't announce who are going now, Copa America going now, you know.
Yes.
And they were announcing the team the other day, say, these are the players who are going to play in the Copa America games.
Yeah.
Leon Bailey's name was announced. So one side I say, this is one side I say, no, we are talking about the JFF side. The JFF side is saying that they got a confirmation that Leon Bailey should be named in the Copa America squad. Yeah,
he will be participating. And they know this.
But the other side I say, me I talk about Craig Butler, me I talk about Leon Bailey, me I talk about the whole of them, for them, got the side there?
Yes.
The side I say them never give no go ahead. The JFF name Leon Bailey.
So where the miscommunication could have happened now?
So I honestly don't know where the miscommunication
Jaja.
is. But all I know is that something like this is not going to be a significant effect, a significant effect on Leon Bailey.
It's going to affect the Reggae Boys.
It's mostly going to affect the Reggae Boys football team.
Jaja.
I would suggest.
Yes.
What I would suggest is have somebody mediate this thing in the middle and try to see if them can come to a common ground, a common understanding between the two places, because somebody tell lie.
Hold on, I think I know, and you said somebody to mediate. So what you're telling me now is that we need to go and get JFF and Leon Bailey to come and sing soul session. That is it. I think that's a solution. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Mr. Jarrett. Where can people find you?
Daniel O. Jarrett on all platforms.
All right, okay, all right. Big up yourself, bless. All right.
Blessings, Barry.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, so I finally can understand the story now. So that is what I'm going to say. So to Simone Clark, lovely Simone Clark, please can you phone up the people them over the Jamaica Football Federation and Leon Bailey so we can have peace and love on the field, okay? Let's make this happen, Simone. All right. And, it looked like, say, Mr. Bailey was definitely taken true to what Daniel said earlier, and he seems to really be on a mental health break because he was seen just living life amidst all of this breaking news. Watch. Boy, oh boy, like, there's never a day where Jamaica have some sort of feud, some sort of war, some sort of baga, some sort of cas. I'm really feeling bad for the Reggae Boys because, come on, man, you're going to lose such a stellar athlete as Leon Bailey from the team now. Make it right. Just sort out things. Fix things, please. Burritos, let me know what you make of this. Sound off down below.
The Grand Palito. Want to throw cheese? So cheese.
Number 3, Jeffrey Walk and Talk update. Nobody does know, so up till now, I don't know if it is real or if it's fake. I cannot tell, and I cannot tell when it come on to Jeffrey, you just will never know. Because all when it real, it might make it look like it fake. And when it fake, it might make it look like it real. Because it is all part of the show business. It's part of entertainment, and he definitely gets that. All right? And so, Walk and Talk, as mentioned, he has his own podcast now. And he spoke about, several things, including him touched on a little bit of the Jeffrey saga. And many people online have been saying that in that video, he appeared to be contradicting himself a few times. Watch.
Walk and lie.
The video the dog put out. The dog put out the video for carry me down.
Just stop,
we
put
out this,
Listen to me, just stop that, bro. Stop that shit, bro.
Put out this, I don't want to care about this to them or nothing.
Shouting to me,
link them, you know.
The shouting.
Bro, let me tap on camera, dog. Walk and Talk the first man me see.
Yeah.
Pana podcast, bro.
Yeah.
While Swiss Lee comes to the same thing. Huh? Walkie. Big and serious though. More start a podcast. I don't even know what is a podcast sometimes. Walk and Talk the first man me see.
Yeah.
Pana podcast, bro.
Yeah.
While Swiss Lee comes to the same thing. You put out the podcast, it flap me, and it turn around and backfire upon you. If you did say, you did really rip me in your heart, you would put out that video there.
Just stop,
we
bro.
Put out this,
Listen to me, just stop
put
that,
out
bro.
This,
stop that shit, bro.
Put out this, Me have a misunderstanding, and me first come in there with it.
All right, I do not know if that video was sponsored by Jeffrey himself. Come and see me in the comments, and it seems as if he is definitely supporting the message that Walk and Talk lies. And so, he also posted a video on his YouTube channel. He have a vlog channel, and he was answering several questions that I guess his supporters have been asking, and he opted to answer the question about his loyalty, about, as it relates to choosing Armani over Jeffrey, and this is what he shared.
Final question. Since you mentioned Armani, why you sell out Walk and Talk for some money and just meet? Final question.
Why am I sell out Walk and Talk for some money and just meet?
Yeah.
All right, let's break down these questions. Like a syllable. First of all, if we talk about Walk and Talk, Valiant, and Armani, I've known Armani the longest out of all of the above. That's the first thing. So much I know Armani, at one point, before I moved to Jamaica, but I stay at Armani yard. People don't even know this. When Armani moved back to Jamaica, Armani was living at my house for like a month or two. So that's the first thing. For sell out someone for just meat. Secondly, there wasn't any form of selling out. I will not get into the conversation or what happened or whatever happened. Whoever want to make them own Ray or nephew about it, will not do that. He's not entitled to that. But yeah, it's none of that. None of sell out, nothing or whatever the case may be. Walk and Talk, just walk and talk, bro. That's really it. You just walk and talk.
All right, so at this moment, me don't really care because I do not know what to believe anymore because them could have do all of this and then tomorrow morning is the two of them hang up, what you call it, they're hanging out, posting pictures and laughing at the people who fell for it. So just allow them, make them just do them thing. If they're good, them good. If them bad, me can't bad. At this point, I'm opting to not be involved, right? So readers, let me know, what do you make of this? Do you agree that Walk and Talk was indeed contradicting himself? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, room makeover, missing fence. All right, now, so the Mitchells, they have been renovating their home for quite a while, people. You remember what it looked like before? And then, them start to patch up things, fix up, tweak up, and get new things, especially since their partnership with Active Home Traders, right? And so recently, they both made a collab post and revealed the full transformation. And oh God, the place look like one 5-star hotel right now. Just go and watch. Wow, that is it. That's how you renovate. That is how you do over at home. Like, that looked amazing. It looked good. It looked good. I can't imagine, like, Wayne and Tommy just a walk around and I still can't believe say, at that them yard. Because when you're used to a place now and you're like, wow, I saw this space could have transformed all along. You see, that's why I'm telling you, you know, like, you have to love money sometime, you know, because you see the things that money make possible. Oh, jeez, and pay, man. Oh, I love the look. Love the look. Tommy, feel free if you not have Christmas dinner, invite me. Because I just want, you know, there the yard and then give me a look of food and then I just take my phone and squeeze the time, go to the bathroom and video it and make people think say my yard me there. You know them little ray settings there? I'm here for it. Burritos, what do you think of the makeover? Rate it below. And number one goes to Couple Up. Whoa! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Couple Up. But the couple here, it did go up and then when it reached up, it popped. It popped in front of all of us. So as mentioned earlier, the forefront Jamaican content creator doing the Pop the Balloon challenges is RolleySoEasy. And so recently he moved out of town, did I think an Oche edition, and he met up with some new people. And one of the people them who he invited, Jesus Christ, so happened to be the ex of one of the ladies there with a balloon in her hand. Just watch.
All right, what's the question here? What am I right, sir? Why you want to laugh, sir?
I got bathroom.
No?
Yes.
What are the blues?
Georgia.
What the question? What am
So we broke up 3 days ago. How you end up a look love right as now? Just 3 days and you there to look love?
Huh? What? I mean, if I ask you that the question, then.
Whoa. What?
Okay.
Wanna know each other?
Yeah.
We just broke up.
What the? Can I walk with Grace? Me too.
Where? On the dinner, really? On a break up for real?
Yes.
Yeah, we just break up like couple. Well, we on and off for some time, but we just completely done. 3 days ago, we decided done. Move out and done.
I think we need to go.
Whoa. Wait. So you have anything for say? What is? You have to go?
Man, that officer was shocked. Can't bust the balloon.
No, but what on a really? Yeah, how long when they used to talk together?
Almost 5 years.
5 years?
On and off.
Yep.
Oh,
we can't bust it.
Yeah, you can bust it, but you never bust it though. But why you never burst it all along?
Me did I go burst it, but me didn't want to hear with them of course first before me burst it.
As in, if in choose them, that you mean?
No, me just did I listen to them conversation before me burst it, but me did I go eventually burst it.
Why? Why?
No.
You know, see it come together back?
No.
So why it couldn't work out? Yo, this crazy. Yo.
So we can burst it?
Yeah, for you have to tell me the reason though. Why you burst the balloon?
Because it not gonna work out. So yeah.
Why it not work out?
It just not gonna work out.
Well, that was awkward. That was awkward. Like, come on. Them not even, it said 3 years, you know. 3 years, I could have been like, all right. 3 months, I could have been like, 3 days, not even the weekend, good. Just barely one little weekend and basically left each other because you know, said tomorrow, when rain fall and them say storm and all kind of Sahara and dust come, him could have right over them, over our yard and them back again, like nothing never happened. I want like an argument them have them not left. I want like a squabble like, me not believe that. And the fact said the two of them ended up there, I was thinking, say, yo, maybe they are looking a moment. Maybe they might look a little viral moment and a some little plan up thing. You know, little Jerry Springer settings. You know, they used to watch Jerry Springer. And Jerry are married. You get me? And when woman be like, oh my God, so something, sometimes I don't do something on them show there, man. Oh my gosh. And the acting, you have to be like, come on, man. You must have known. You'd have somebody else show up there like me, look like me. And then the person go up and be like, oh, I have something to say. I am a man, I'm not a real woman. And the person, oh my God, no. Then you have the ones them know where you know, say, oh God, man. You have a white pitney, a full white pitney, everything features white, everything completely. And then you want to come give the black man all of your jacket them. All of the jackets them, Jesus. But burritos, let me know, would you feel comfortable? Would you play it cool if you showed up at a show like this, pop the balloon, and you buck up your ex steps into the room? Would you make the other people them know, or either play it cute, same way like you don't know them? Sound off in the comments. Oh God, that is crazy. All right, so burritos, now I'm going to, throw to one of the throwback countdown videos. Boy, if I could only find that blue, not that blue, that red blazer thing that I did have. Boy, I did love it. I did borrow goods, I think from Grandeur and I have to give back. I can't remember, but I enjoyed it while it lasted. Anyway, check out this throwback countdown clip.
The Dutty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you
to KFC bun. My fridge stop. So this video surfaced online recently, in which a woman, picture this woman. The woman, I guess she's hungry after a long day of work, and she decides she's going to go KFC and go up on the drive-thru. So she in out the car, then I look around. When she look around, she see one car, and she appreciate, yo man, this car look familiar. So she say, okay, wait. No, my man carry that. So she go up to the car now, to the vehicle now, go up, probably go heal up her man. When she go look, lo and behold, is the next woman that cock up in a fear front seat. Can you believe it? Look at what her transpired. No, I feel for this woman. I feel her pain. I feel her adult suffrage. Me feel the humiliation, everything wrapped up together in one. Can you imagine now this rough? Hear the woman pain now?
Hey, Tracks boy. Yo, move out and move.
About this, what about now? I don't know who in charge of KFC. Is it the Matalan them? But what is going on with KFC between 2018 to 2019? About 5 video member countdown with people that fight, security guard fight, and now this, why only bringing the whole set of Murray and Jerry Springer into the KFC premises? I do not know where I go on, people. Like, no, this is just rough.
You don't know if you're married man, but it's long enough. Yeah. You won't help me tell the man. You won't help me tell the man. You tell us on the one.
Anyways, let me know, have you ever caught your partner treated in a way like this?
Oh wow, why? Look how me did Maga. Look how me did Maga. Jesus, Pim. Me don't want to see the countdown next 10 years from now, because Jaja, me might have to fit up the whole up here, so me don't love this for me at all. But yeah, man, like, boy, I love these throwback clips them because I think I basically documented the whole of Jamaican Ray excitement, baga memes and everything. So if you ever have a free time, please to go and watch the social media countdown from 2014 because trust me, a whole heap of little things I'm sure you might have forgotten. All right, burritos, we've come to the end of yet another social media countdown. It's the Wednesday edition. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Once again, thank you so much for getting me to 300,000 subscribers. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X. Snapchat at DuttyBerryshow, and for advertising, shoot me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care.
The Dutty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo. yo, just tune in. Scene.